Hi everyone, my name is Ochi and welcome back to my channel. I do videos on food, travel, and lifestyle. So for today's video, as you guys can see, I just woke up. I don't have anything on my face because I'm super excited to be sharing a new recipe that I just discovered. So this recipe is called Mayak Eggs. Sorry sa itsura ko, hindi na ako nag-ayos kasi I'm gonna be trying the eggs now. So I made the recipe last night. So Mayak literally means drug in Korea. So these are actually what they call drug eggs. It's a very popular recipe in Korea. It's been going around on YouTube. So I thought, why not try it? They call it drug eggs because apparently parang they make you so addicted to it that you can't stop eating it. So I made the recipe yesterday because you have to refrigerate it for a minimum of 5 hours. You can serve it alongside other bantans that you have at home. So let's see how they turned out. Look how the color has transformed. So let's try to put in one in here. I'm gonna put this broken one in. So put some of the sauce on the side. Wow, so see, to top it all off, I'm gonna put a drizzle of olive oil. Sorry, olive oil, not olive oil, sesame oil. First bite. It tastes really good. Better than the soy marinated yolks that I did before. That one was a Japanese recipe. Well, the yolks are really good. They were a tad too salty for me, so you had to eat a lot of rice. But this one, it is less salty and hindi mo kailangan ng maraming rice for you to actually enjoy it. That's it for this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video despite my face looking like this. If you liked the video, make sure you hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit on that bell button beside it so that you get notified every time I get a new post. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys on my next vlog.